With your positive feedback, WordPress User Frontend has completed another graceful year. Throughout the year, we brought many exciting features and extensions for better user experience. We want to thank all of our beloved clients, valuable partners, and well-wishers from the bottom of our hearts. Let's see some of our efforts, contributions, and achievements. For the year 2019, our development team worked hard to update, enhance performance, and add new code to the WordPress User Frontend. We also added new features to make your work more simple. Our content marketing team has guided users with blogs, video tutorials, and documentation for your ease. For the first time, our support team provides support 24/7 for your assistance. We grew from 10,000 to 20,000 active users. We thank you for your support and love. We expect the same from you for the year 2020. This year, we are planning to release features and modules for users using the WordPress UserFrontend Pro. Please check out the website and stay with us.